Okay, YouTubers, this is the 2nd of February 2025 and I've got a corn here and I've filled it with peanut butter and birdseed. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it up and hang it and see what results we get from this corn, acorn. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put it down. Right, I've put it there, and this is full of bird food and peanut butter. Let's see what we're going to get from this when I put this motion activator camera out in a few minutes. We'll see you in the next video. Hopefully you're going to get some kind of reaction. Okay, see you soon.